Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display the navigation lines on the CMap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the settings icon next to your email, and in the navigation section you can find the show navigation line while moving option, and just click to the white square icon, and new the navigation line is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.